So, oh, no problem. So for this today's lesson, what we'll be doing is I'll introduce myself, my journey, and then we'll move on straight to what UX UI designers. Then we'll learn about the differences using some practical examples, and then after that, the final thing we'll do is we'll discuss the importance of UI design. So this lesson is supposed to last for 2 hours, but just in case we finish before the 2 hours and we have, or before 1 hour, and we have like some time left, I think I'll use that time to teach you how to go through the downloading of Figma. Then next week we can go through like the interface of Figma and everything. You get it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. 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 That's cool. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's definitely. I'm sure it'll be the same. All right. So moving on about me. Yeah. So my journey started in. Well, you already know my name, Jacqueline. I'm Jacqueline Asaridate. I'm a Ghanaian, as you already know. Yeah, and my journey. Yes, and my journey started in 2019 in final year of school, where I joined a hackathon by Ghana Tech Lab, which was in collaboration with the World Bank. Yeah, so that's where I got introduced to UX UI design, and well, in the process, I met some awesome people who were doing really awesome work, which really piqued my interest. So I decided to delve deeper from that period, from the hackathon. So what I started doing was I started learning on like YouTube videos, taking courses on these e-learning platforms, so Coursera, Pluralsight, and all those places. And yeah, I was fortunate enough to get like a UX job after school, which which gave me some sort of experience moving on. And then I was also doing like my own personal project on the side because I was really passionate about learning more about UX and then like growing as well. And so yeah, so I worked with Ghana Tech Lab in 2019, and then whilst with Ghana Tech Lab, I got an offer to work with a fintech company called Texo. I don't know if you heard of them. So Texo, yeah, I designed their flagship product, which is called Eager Now. It's still on the market, but right now they've secured some funding. And moving on, I also from Texo I moved to Zenesi. So Zenesi is like a tech solution company. What they were doing is they were providing digital solutions to businesses. So where I came in was I was designing the experience and the interfaces of their digital product. So they were mostly dealing with um, websites. So I was mostly working on web designs. Yeah, and and when just last year I decided to be a bit independent. So yeah, so from last year I decided to go fully freelance. So I'm currently doing freelance as we speak. I'm currently a freelance designer. Once I decide to join another company, we'll see where it goes. So moving on, yes. So these are my contact details. If you want to send me, well, you have my number already. So I mean, but then in case you want to reach me through email, you can reach me there, jsr52 at gmail.com. And then my website, I have a website, a portfolio website. I'll upgrade it this year, but in the meantime, it's still up there. So you can check out my previous projects that I've done. And then these are beneath them are my social media handles. So for LinkedIn, you have Jacqueline Asaridati. For Instagram, my handle is jasa20. And then I recently started a YouTube channel. It's very recent. So you can go there and then support and learn some cool, fun new things. Okay. Yeah.